The readings for this 17th Sunday in Ordinary Time give us two examples of miracles of feeding. In the first reading, the prophet Elisha is asked to multiply bread, to share bread with 100 people. And even though there wasn't enough bread to begin with to feed 100 people are in fact fed. It's miraculous. Jesus does even better than that in today's gospel reading. He feeds 5,000 with just a few barley loaves. And in both of these instances, we see that Elisha and Jesus are doing something that only God is able to do, and that's to feed God's people. That's one of the powers of God. And so, what does this story about sharing and multiplication, what do these two stories about the multiplication of bread say to us? Well, it can say many things, but one of the things that I think it says is that we are called to share what we have. We're called to multiply our blessings for the benefits of those who don't have everything that they need, because we can be sure that it's God's will that all of God's people be fed. God wants all of God's people to have what they need in order to live, to have a good quality of life, and to thrive. It's up to us to be God's hands and feet in this world by sharing what we have and by multiplying our blessings, by giving what we have to those who are in need.